Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adib Amsyar bin Ahmad Murizman, matric number 158941 from School of Physics, University of Malaysia. Major in Pure Physics. My role in this video is as a scriptwriter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iman bin Syarizan and I'm from School of Physics and I'm the first year student. So my role in this video is as an editor.
Malaysian citizens must have already heard about RFID as an option for toll payments on highways since 2018. But what is RFID? How it works? And what is its application? My name is Ikmal bin Zaki, first year physics student, and I am the presenter. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. Is a technology that uses radio wave to passively identify a tag object. It is used in several commercial and industrial applications, from tracking items along a supply chain to keeping track of items checkout of a library. In 1983, Charles Fulton has invented a device that uses the radio frequency of radio wave. This technology is used to automatically identify or track objects like books, inventory items, or even wild animals. In this technology, the RFID tag must attach to the object we want to track. The RFID reader will continuously be sending radio waves, so when the object is in the range of the reader, then the tag will transmit its feedback to the reader. It is same as barcode technology, but the barcode technology needs to be in the line of the sight compared to the RFID, which is only need to be in the range. Let's go through inside the tag. The first component inside the tag is transponder that used to receive the radio wave and send it back to the reader. Rectifier also used in the tag to store energy from the radio wave in the capacitor to supply energy to other components. For the reader, it mainly consists of three components. The first component is frequency signal generator. As its name, the function is to generate radio wave which is transmit from the antenna to the RFID tag. Meanwhile, to receive the feedback, we use the receiver or signal to receive the feedback signal back from the tag, and to control the reader, we use the microcontroller, or we directly connect to the reader or to the computer. There are three radio wave operating frequency for this system, which are low frequency that operate frequency around 125 kHz to 134 kHz. We also have high frequency, which is about 13.65 MHz, and last but not least, the ultra range frequency that operate about 860 to 960 MHz. The range of the low frequency radio wave is only up to 10 centimeters, while the high frequency radio wave can travel up to 1 meter. The ultra high frequency radio wave can travel 10 to 15 meters, which is the reason why it's used in the toll payment in our country. The first advantage of RFID are its efficiency. RFID can scale multiple items at once. This is very helpful in the warehouse or in the shopping mall for the workers to check the inventory or the stock. RFID also can handle exposure to the sun and the rain. This is suitable for Malaysia climate, so we don't need to change our RFID label for toll payments multiple times, and it remains effective. Last but not least, the size of RFID is small and compact, that makes more convenient to handle. The downside of RFID are sometimes was not accurate or reliable as barcode scanner. It is because we might scan all the item in the warehouse in the range of the reader, and it will give us troublesome when we just want to scan for the specific item. The cost to install the RFID also 10 times more expensive than barcode readers, and its implementation also can be difficult and time consuming compared to barcode. When we talk about RFID, there is another system that becomes the competitor of the RFID, which is NFC. But what is NFC? NFC stands for Near Field Communication. Technically, NFC is a subset of RFID. But compared to RFID, it only enables short-range communication between compatible devices. NFC technology utilizes only an alternating magnetic field, meaning no power is emitted in the form of the radio wave. Compared to RFID technology can be used over to long distance, while NFC technology is limited to small distance. RFID tags can generally be scanned at distance up to 10 meters and do not require a direct line of sight to the reader. NFC generally requires a direct line of sight to the readers and also requires the communicating device to be within a few centimeters of each other. Their application also differs. RFID has been used for asset tracking, race timing, which is used by marathon runners, while NFC technology is generally used for communication such as contactless payment, information, and data sharing. As a conclusion, RFID is one of the best future systems created to help mankind in our daily life. Now, we can track any items we're searching for easily. By using RFID, the workers can save their time to find and sort out the inventories, even though there are still imperfections in this system. But we believe with a proper research and development, we can make RFID more efficient to build a better future. My name is Ikmal bin Zaki. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.